Assalamualaikum and hi. Now we are going to do self practice 7.2 number 4B. Let me read the question. Point P, divide the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio AP to PB. The ratio is AP to PB. Find the ratio of AP to PB and the value of K for each of the following. Okay, so now we do not have the ratio. What is the ratio? So that is the question. Okay. And then later on, you have to find what is the value of K. So in this case, K is for the X, for B. So in this case, X is, I will call it not complete. So but then, the Y is 2 here, 6 here, and 4 here. And then the position, according to this one, okay, the position is something like P is between A and B. So if I were to draw 1, 2, K, 6, and 3, 4, all these are positive values. A is 1, 2. 1, 2 is something like here. 1, 2. And then B, K, and 6. But in between A and B, there is P, which is 3, 4. So 3 and 4 will be here. And then so B will be, the Y will be 6. The Y will be 6, will be here. So it should be on a straight line like that. Okay, so A, P, and B. Right. So anyway, this is just the early sketch. Because I really do not know where is exactly whether this is shorter or not, unless you want to draw on a graph paper, so you can get the rough estimation better. But then the purpose of this one is just to give an idea on where are the coordinates here. So what we need to do here in order to find the ratio, we use all the Y. The Y here will be 6 and the Y here will be 4. Okay, so we say, okay, because the formula for ratio is X is M plus N and X1 plus MX2, and we have to replace everything. Okay, this is a mistake. We need to use the Y. So everything must be Y. Y1 and Y2. Okay, so which one is this Y? From P. Because P is between A and B. So the position that is between the two will be here. And then Mn still Mn. So N times something and M times something. And then you have to substitute 2 here, because this is X1, or in other words is Y1, and then this should be Y2, which is 6. And cross multiply, we have 4M plus 4N equals 2N plus 6M. And for the purpose of easy to understand, you just bring all the M to the left and all the other value to the right side. So we have 4M minus 6M, it will be negative 2M. 2N minus 4N will be negative 2N. Okay, why is it like that? Because I prefer to write down M over N. So in this case, it will be negative 2 over negative 2. In other words, it will be 1 to 1. So we have to say ratio of M to N will be 1 to 1. It means P is in the middle, not like this, okay? It's not shorter. So the drawing shows that P to B is shorter than A to P. But when we calculate, we get that the value will be exactly the same. Okay, so AP to PB will be 1 to 1. In other words, P is the middle, is the midpoint between A and B. So and then we need to find the value of K. So we need to use the X. X is ratio will be 1 to 1. Okay, since we want to use the formula ratio, we just write down 1 plus 1. So 1 times x1 plus 1 times x2. So x1 will be 1 and x2 will be k. And the value of x here will be the coordinate of P. And so we just calculate in order to find K. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 times 3 will be 6. So we say 6 equals to 1 plus K. So the value of K will be 6 minus 1, which is 5. So that is the answer to the question. The ratio is 1 to 1 and the value of K is 5. Right? See you later.